well, three components. The first component is the hammer-on the 6th string. Number 23 is just the hammer-on. And then the second component is the hammer-on pull-off from the 4th scale degree up a half step to the flat 5 and then back to the 4th scale degree. So 5, 6, 5. Yep. Okay. So the last component is the reverse of the first component, the pull-off. And there's a nice little lick. Right. So wherever we find the find the 4th and 5th scale degree, we can do that lick. Five, we're going to go the opposite direction. And you can put them into riffs if you tap your foot. You know, you can just put them into, you can do that. Those two back and forth. You can slide with your ring finger down a half step and then pull off. Alright, so we've got three components here. We've got the hammer-on pull-off, and then we've got 3 notes. Right. Now if you were going to the 5 chord, then you go flat 5 up a half step, and then you go in the opposite direction and then playing the root note. A lot of there's a lot of blues songs that start off with just that flat 5 to the 5 to the, you know, that goes like this. You know, we have the that's the lick. You know, but that was a lot of technique. You know, now we're moving on. We can, you know, we've got the scales memorized. So this one is, we've got a spill up and a spill down with vibrato. We could do that on the 2nd string too. Now we could bring these up also to past the 12th fret, you know, which is in 17th position, the A minor pentatonic. So we got we're doing a pull-off, and we're shying away from some of the bends on the next 3 exercises and focusing in on just some basic note pattern, note sequences. So we got, so that one is focusing around the intervals of fourths with a roll-off technique a lot. Now we can also, that's over this chord, and over the 4 chord, we just bring it up a 4th. Just bring it to the next string. We can replace the 5 with the flat 5 and go down the minor pentatonic scale. Yeah, instead of playing the 5th scale degree, you play the flat 5.